Alrighty, folks. We're in a little bit of our famous tram traffic here at Universal. It's a busy day in the lot. Like I said, there's a lot going on, so we might hit some pause moments during the tour. But that just means you guys get bonus content. So, one cool thing about this tram is that it's pretty famous in the folklore of Hollywood. A lot of people, when they first come to LA, this is their first introduction to Hollywood is taking this tram tour, and they go on to become writers and directors after that. So you'll see the tram actually gets written into a lot of Hollywood movies. It could blow backwards. Oh, we got an E-cord pull. Okay, hold on 1 second. Folks, if this is a medical emergency, if you require a medical assistance, please pull the cord again. Only if you require medical assistance. Happy to hear. Okay, I'm going to hop back there and check in with what's going on.